there are many reasons I deserve a phone. One of them being that Haley, my older sister, had a phone whenever she was 12. She gets all A's, and she is hooked onto a phone. For another reason that I do deserve a phone is that my dad says I'm hooked on the computer, so if I do this, I can separate my addiction to that and turn it into 2 smaller ideas that I'll be going through, so I'll have more time to do other stuff since I won't be completely hooked on one. Another reason I deserve a phone is because this morning in breakfast time, you gave me a $20 bill and trusted me with it, and I think that you've always trusted me with that kind of stuff, so you can probably trust me with my own phone.
Okay, good.